Today we're going to be testing the limits of the third generation Tacoma. Naturally aspirated V6 engine. We're going to be hauling a broke down car on a tow dolly up a mountain, then under a mountain, 2 hours into the backwoods of Kentucky. This is going to be a wild one. Okay, straighten it up.
Right.
Okay, just leave it neutral. Let off the brake. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's secure down this classic old Buick. Let's hit the road. All right, here we go up the mountain. The Tacoma's handling great, no problems, taking it with ease. This thing's like nothing to the Tacoma. All right, we made it up the mountain. Now check out that view. We're heading down the mountain. That view is awesome. Now we're going under a mountain from Tennessee into Kentucky. Welcome to Kentucky. We're almost there. Let's drop it off. Had to get a bobcat to get it off. All right, let's get out of here. Check out that 56 Chevy. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.